Alright, here we go. Going to start it up. Alright, pop the hood in the parking garage at work. Let's see if it starts now. I'll move the camera out closer for you guys so you can hear it. Those are me turning the engine over. Started up after about the 10th one.